Welcome students. We are going to discuss string operators. You know that string is a sequence of characters. In a Python language, we have derived a string and their indexing is in a forward indexing and backward indexing. Means positive indexing start with 0 and negative indexing, that is backward indexing, start with -1. We take an example string Python language. Python space language 0, 1, 2 up to 14 and -1 up to -15. If we write s of 5, that output will be n, and also if we write s of -6, output will be n, and s of colon 6, that is output will be Python, and s of colon -3 means output will be Python langu, means start with a end with a -3. S of -2, that is a GE, start with -2, and -3, that is start with -3, that is Python end with a -3. Now, string operators. There are different types of string operators. Basic operators, concatenation operator. Concatenation operator, that is a plus sign. String concatenation is used to merge two strings or more than a string. Here in this example, S1, S2, S3 are three different strings, and S equals to S1 plus S2 plus S3, that is here their output will be, here is the Python, and if we write C equals to 7 colon within colon plus 6 within single quotes, that is C equals to 76. String replication operator. A string replication operator is used to how many times we print a string. 2 multiplied by hello, means hello is printed in 2 times. Hello, hello. Here hello shows the string and 2 shows the number of times that the string to be replicated, means repetition. Second, membership operators. There are two types of membership operators. In operator. This operator is used to check if a value exists in a sequence or not. List 1 equals to hi, hello, namaste and hell. This string is in a list of 1 is here or not, means not available, so output will be false. And sub in a substring, that is sub is there in a substring, so output will be true. Not in operator. This operator is the opposite of in, means that is the complements of in operator. List 1 equals to, this is given in a string, means hill not in a list 1, so output will be true. Identity operator. Identity operators in a Python are used to determine whether a value is of a certain class or type. Is operator, this operator returns true if both the operands point to same memory location. A equals to, in the double quotes ABC, means type A is a str, that is a string, so output will be true. And B equals to 23.5, type B is a int, so it is false because 23.5 is a float. Is not operator. This operator returns true if both the operands point to different memory location. A equals to within single quote 1, 1, 2, 3, type A is not int, also true, and type A is not str, also